First statement coming in from Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge after meeting with Vinesh Fogart and Bajrang Punia, who are all set to join the Congress. Kharge has put out a statement where he said that I've met with talented champions Vinesh and Bajrang. He said, Chakte India, Chakte Haryana. Met our talented champions Vinesh Fogart and Bajrang Punia, who made India proud in the world stage. We are proud of you both. In the statement, there's no reference to the fact that they are joining the Congress. There's no reference to discussions or on their induction into the party. The Congress chief only saying that he's met with the champions Vinesh Fogart and Bajrang Punia. On the left of your screens is the live images coming in right now from the Congress headquarters, where we are expecting Vinesh and Bajrang to be formally inducted into the party. Amit Bharadwaj is joining us live with more details on this. Amit, first statement from Mallikarjun Kharge after meeting with Vinesh and Bajrang at his residence. No talk yet about the political meeting, about the fact that they are entering and joining the Congress, only sticking to the fact that they are wrestlers, champions that he's met.
Right, Akshata, there was a lot of speculation as to whether Bajrang Punia and Vinesh Fogart will be joining the Congress party or not, and the BJP has been also saying continuously that Vinesh is a country's daughter, but if she wants to become Congress's daughter, then it's fine with them. But amidst all this, the curtains are clear now. Vinesh Fogart, Bajrang Punia, both of them went to Mallikarjun Kharge's house this noon. They met the Congress president, and after that, both of them have reached this particular room in the AICC headquarters. That's the room where both of them are. So the paperwork, the initial formalities of joining the party, the political party, is being conducted right now. I did ask Vinesh a straight question whether she wants to contest an election or not, to which she did not respond. But I did speak to Bajrang Punia's brother. He told me that Vinesh is going to contest elections this time around in Haryana. And when I asked him about Bajrang, the answer was that you will get to know about it in the days to come. And if at all, if Bajrang contests in this election, it could be Badali Assembly constituency of Haryana. So clearly, both of them will officially become Congress party members, and they will be part of the electoral fray. At least Vinesh Fogart is going to be part of the electoral fray. And as far as Bajrang Punia is concerned, whether he will campaign for Vinesh, whether he'll campaign only for Congress, or will he also contest the elections this time around, that's a big question right now. Yeah. But given the situation, this is certainly a big boost for the Congress party, which is already hoping for a return to power in Haryana this time around. Back to you,
answers
Akshata.
To all of the questions that Amit raised in about 15 minutes from now, because that's when you'll have Vinesh and Bajrang being formally joined or welcomed into the Congress before the media. So it's expected that they will take some questions as well, and hopefully then we will know exactly what is the plan and the road ahead for them in the big political plunge, a new journey that they are embarking on starting now. Let me bring in Rahul Gautam on this broadcast. Rahul, I can see behind you the setup from where Vinesh and Bajrang will be seated and addressing the media. In 15 minutes from now, they're going to be there and the formal induction will take place. The Congress, of course, knows full well how important this is. So we understand even the induction is going to happen in the presence of senior party leaders.
Absolutely, Akshita. The stage is set right behind me. You can see fine-tuning of mics, is going on. In fact, the entire press conference room is filled with media journalists. They've come here to cover this important press conference. Just 15 minutes from now, we'll be seeing Vinesh Fogart, Bajrang Punia joining Congress officially in the presence of senior Congress leaders. You can expect KC Venugopal here, Pawan Kheda here, and the other senior leaders of the Congress party. Congress party wants to send out a message that these two new entrants into the Congress fold are actually very significant one, and these are going to be the game changer plan of the Congress party. With their induction, now you can expect that they'll not just be contesting election, they'll be canvassing, they'll be campaigning for the Congress party actively. Possibly, as we were discussing earlier, also Vinesh Phogat might be contesting, likely to contest and might be focusing only on one seat. But Bajrang Punia would be accommodated in the party later on, and this time around he'll be campaigning actively for the party. This has come as a major shot in the arm because primarily of three reasons. One, first, they hail from Jat community, which is one of the biggest caste blocks as far as Haryana is concerned, and they have been traditionally voting for Congress party. But with their entry and induction, it will consolidate Congress traditional vote bank. Secondly, obviously, they were the face of restless protests that we witnessed at Jantar Mantar, and they're going to corner the government on the issues of women's safety, sports infrastructure, and on the issue of Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh. And third, reason why they were inducted as the recent surge in their popularity and the sympathy that Vinesh Phogat has after she missed Olympic medal. So clearly, they are youth icons. They're certainly going to command their influence.
Very true. And that's what the Congress is really counting on. They're counting on them being a game changer for the Congress in the upcoming elections in Haryana. Live images on your screens of Vinesh Phogat in the Congress headquarters, making her way through the corridors. We're expecting any time now the press conference to begin. You can see, of course, that our reporters are out there asking questions of Vinesh, but she doesn't seem to be willing to take any questions right now, perhaps preparing for her formal induction and then the press conference that happens soon after. So images on your screens, you can see Bajrang also there in that blue shirt, standing with the Congress leadership. They're all smiles today, knowing full well the importance of the step that they're taking, knowing that this is the beginning of a new journey, the beginning of a new chapter in their lives as they move from sports into full-fledged politics. And look at the timing of this. It's happening just weeks before the Haryana elections. So for them, of course, there's a lot at stake, and they know that they're going to have to hit the ground running for the Congress. But you've got the meet and greet that's happening there on your screens live. Amit Bharadwaj is with us for more on that. Amit, on our screens are live images of Vinesh and Bajrang meeting with all of the Congress leadership present there.
Right, Akshata, and in fact the point where I'm standing right now is going to be the point from where Vinesh Phogat and Bajrang Punia, both of them will be entering the AICC press conference room, and any moment from now, the entire protocol is being put in place. As I told our viewers some time back that, first they met Mallikarjun Kharge. After that, we reached the AICC headquarters. We did ask Vinesh a very straight question as to whether she is going to contest election or not, to which she did not choose to respond. But it is pretty clear the stage has been set. They are carrying out the official paperwork of joining the Congress party right now in the other room where the Congress office bearers are, meeting both of them. The joining process is being conducted right now. And after that paperwork is done, both of them will be here. Both Olympians will be in this particular press conference room, and they will be on the podium, and right behind them will be the Congress's symbol, so Bajrang and Vinesh will be actually, their saath will be the Congress ka haath. That is going to become a big changer from today, and this is certainly going to be, a boost for Congress party as well. So what we are expecting, Akshata, any time from now, both of them, Vinesh and Bajrang, could step into this particular room where the press conference will begin. Okay, and we will, of course, get all those live updates. Amit, stay with us. I request Rahul also to stay on with us. Let's get you some of the political reactions that have come, and we spoke exclusively to the Haryana Chief Minister on this development, and if the BJP is worried by Vinesh and Bajrang joining the Congress, listen in to what he had to say.
हमारे खिलाड़ी हैं और हमारे हरियाणा के वो हीरे हैं, मैं ये मानता हूँ, और हमारे देश की वो शान है। वो ऐसे व्यक्ति हैं जिन्होंने अपने एक भारत का नाम ऊंचा किया है, परंतु कांग्रेस राजनीति करती है। ये दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है, राजनीति नहीं होनी चाहिए। कांग्रेस का जो विचार है, लोगों को परेशान करना, लोगों को लाइन में खड़ा करना और देश को कमजोर करना। अगर हमारे युवा खिलाड़ी का मॉरल डाउन होता है, ये हमारी ड्यूटी बनती है कि अपने खिलाड़ी का हम मॉरल डाउन नहीं करेंगे, उसके मॉरल को बढ़ाने का काम करेंगे। और मैंने तभी ये घोषणा की कि हमारी बेटी हमारी शान है और उसने दुनिया के अंदर भारत का नाम चमकाया है। मैंने तुरंत इस बात की घोषणा की कि हम उसको उस सम्मान की दृष्टि से देखेंगे, क्योंकि वो जीतती वहां पर, अगर वो उसके अंदर हिस्सा लेती वो देश का नाम ऊंचा करती, परंतु हमने उसके सम्मान को बढ़ाया है।
देखिए, कुल मिला के एक राजनीतिक चक्र में मैं समझता हूँ हमारे वो साथी खिलाड़ी हैं उसमें फंसे थे, उस समय फंसे थे। आज उसका पटाक्षेप हो रहा है कि वही लोग आज मिलकर के कांग्रेस के नेताओं के साथ टिकट की गुहार कर रहे हैं। इसका मतलब ये है कि वो जो सारा विषय था वो राजनीति से ओतप्रोत था। उस समय तो एकदम इसको शायद इतनी साफ गोई से कोई नहीं कह सकता था, लेकिन आज तो साफ गोई हो गई कि वही लोग आज कांग्रेस की टिकट के लिए उनके पास जा रहे हैं और वो भी कह रहे हैं चुनाव लड़ाएंगे। इसका मतलब वो सारा जो राजनीति से प्रेरित वो एक विषय मुझे लगता है।
कांग्रेस पहले दिन से ही इनकी बैक पे थी और इनके उकसाने से ही वो आंदोलन चल रहा था, नहीं तो उसका बहुत जल्दी फैसला भी हो जाता। अगर वो देश की बेटी से कांग्रेस की बेटी बनना चाहती है तो हमें क्या एतराज है।
अरे वाह प्रधानमंत्री जी, बड़े विश्वगुरु बनते हो, पर उस बेटी को जायज हक भी नहीं दिला पाए। अरे जब वो फाइनल तक पहुंच गई तो सिल्वर तो उसे दिला देना चाहिए था। लगता है बीजेपी तब भी उस बेटी के खिलाफ थी, अब भी खिलाफ है। आओ, हरियाणा की जनता इंतजार कर रही तुम्हारा। उसकी बेटी का जो अपमान किया है ना, उसका बदला इस चुनाव में लेगी।
देखिए साल 1996 में एक षड्यंत्र हुआ था तो केतकी देवी सांसद बनी, और 2023 में जब षड्यंत्र हुआ तो करण भूषण के सांसद बन गए। इस घटना के पहले मेरी कोई सेल्फी नहीं लेता था, कोई नहीं। सन 1991 से लगातार दिल्ली आ रहा हूं, जा रहा हूं, कोई सेल्फी नहीं लेता था। और इस घटना के बाद हीरो भी सेल्फी लेते हैं।
And that's Brij Bhushan speaking about the allegations against him. And remember, Vinesh and Bajrang was in fact part of that group of wrestlers who took the fight against Brij Bhushan to the national capital, to the streets of Delhi. And the BJP saying that now it's clear that there was political propaganda involved in that particular agitation. Rahul Gautam continues to be with us live with more details on this. The political repercussions, Rahul, of Vinesh and Bajrang joining the Congress is going to be massive. You know, you've got the BJP already crying foul. While yes, it's a shot in the arm for the Congress, there will be accusations that come in from the opposition, from the BJP, that all along the wrestlers' protest was backed by the Congress, was politically coloured.
Akshita, you can expect that, their joining will certainly kick off and evoke sharp reactions from all quarters as far as political, corridors are concerned, merely because of the fact that just, few months back, Vinesh Fogart and Bajrang Punia, they were the face of wrestlers